You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing vocabulary from French commonly used in English as well. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel. How do you say it? Sans, silent S here, not sans, but rather sans culotte, silent S as well. Sans culotte is how it is said in French. In English you could say it rather similarly as sans culotte. Sans culotte meaning without pants, essentially, or without underwears, even though culotte now means underwear in French, but it used to mean pants, really, at the time in history. Sans culotte, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.